Dear students, topics for this section is communication services by Amazon Web Services. So Amazon provides facilities to structure and facilitate the communication among existing applications and services. These facilities can be organized into two major categories, that is virtual networking and second is messaging. So we will see one by one. First is virtual networking. So virtual networking consists of a collection of services that allows AWS users to control the connectivity to and between compute and storage services. So for that purpose it uses Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, that is VPC, and Amazon Direct Connect. It provides a connectivity solution in terms of infrastructure. So this virtual networking is provided through VPC and Amazon Direct Connect. So Amazon VPC provides a great degree of flexibility in creating virtual private networks within the Amazon infrastructure, and the service providers prepare either templates covering the most of the usual scenarios or fully customizable networks. Whereas the Amazon Direct Connect, it allows the users to create dedicated networks between the user private network and Amazon Direct Connect locations. So this connection can be further partitioned into multiple logical connections. The advantage of using this direct connect versus other solution is the consistent performance. As it is having a direct connection, so it provides the consistent performance of the connection between the user's premises and the direct connect locations. Next is messaging. So messaging services constitute the next step in connecting the applications by using the OS capabilities. So there are three different types of messaging services offered by Amazon are simple queue services, second is simple notification services, that is SNS, and third is Amazon simple email service. So first is simple queue service. So the simple queue service constitute the disconnected model because there is no direct connection between the applications. So that is why it is called as a disconnected model, which is based on the message queues hosted within the OS infrastructure. So using the OS console or directly the underlying web services, OS users can create the unlimited number of message queues, or application can send the messages to any queue that have the access to. This message are securely and redundantly stored within the OS infrastructure. Second is Amazon simple notification service, which provides the publish and subscribe method. So publish means the instance publish and subscribe method for connecting the heterogeneous applications. The Amazon SNS allows application to be notified when the new content of interest is available, and this feature is accessible through the web service. Okay, and other application have to subscribe for that web service. And third is Amazon simple email service, that is SES. It allows the users with scalable email service that uses the OS infrastructure. Once the users are signed up for the service, they have to provide an email that SES will use to send the emails on their behalf. So first we have to sign up for that, and then we can use this email service. Okay, so next topic we will see in the next section.